So this is your a classic collection, so a low rise, 1 bedroom plus study, type 1A floor.
Very nice, very spacious. Wow, you've got a study here, and actually this one can be a room, and it does have a pocket door.
I will note that there is an alternative floor plan that is being designed so that you can balance the study. So
Right.
as you'll see, there is no dual access for your bedroom and your study or second bedroom.
I see. Yeah, actually this can be a second bedroom.
There is no built-in desk. The built-in desk is an additional upgrade, and it's around to remain as a study. The cupboards will have the cupboards not included if they don't want the
It's so stylish, and you got like a.
And just behind those doors over there is your laundry. I'll open it. It's finished. Oh no, that's
The pantry.
pantry. The laundry is just there,
Right.
and it's I think beautifully finished.
It is.
And it's
Oh wow.
including a washer dryer combo.
Oh, that's very generous.
The fridge is not included in this darker display. There is no winter garden, no balcony.
Right. But it's still very still got it's okay. And you still got a little space there. Distance from the TV console, TV. It's not it's like the TV is gonna be so big. Here. So this is the masters, and the same thing here. It ends where the side table is, the black color tile. It's still very spacious, huge wardrobe space, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you were to ask for some amendments to have access into the bathroom, you will lose these 2 doors. Yeah, these 2.
You lose the middle.
The middle one.
You lose the middle one, yeah.
You get bathroom access from your master bedroom or the only bedroom. Beautiful.
So as you'll notice here is pendant is also included, and then in your bathroom you have your mosaic tiling. This is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom, type F.
I love it. It's very nice. This mosaic is very nice. Just goes with the like the Eliza Tinsley style. See, this is okay. This is your laundry. That's the second bedroom, and yep. It stops here. That will be your view. This black tile, grey tile is where your window is. This is where the building, your apartment edges are. Yeah. Wardrobe space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very solid door.
Your appliances in your Melbourne collection too. So your mid-rise are Siemens appliances. Again, you have your washer dryer combo included, but no fridge is included in your Melbourne collection.
Yeah. Ladles and all. That'll be so quick.
An optional upgrade as well is in your one.
This is the end of the side of your building. This is where the windows are, the black tiles and the grey tiles, and this is a huge master. Just love how the tiles are put together. Nice. 8 wardrobe door space. 1.
You head to your left, it's your kitchen and dining, and then on your right is your master. In this display, the kitchen is a fully upgraded version. The bedroom is not. By that I mean is in your standard 3-bedroom induction. A standard fridge is Bishop Highfield, greatest Gaggenau, and the bar would be a bar fridge is under 20,000 for the upgrade.
For the upgrade, 20,000. And how big is this? Oh no, is that an up?
1, 2, and 3 bedrooms.
Right.
Your standard floor plans have your carpets, which you'll see in the 3-bedroom.
Where your window is, the black tiles, the grey tiles.
For a high-rise Eliza Collection 3-bedroom, your starting point is around 2.5.
2.5 floor to ceiling height. Right, so this is it.
Which is just laundry just to the right.
Yep. So this is one of the bedroom. It's very spacious. Actually here you can do a study nook. 4-door wardrobe, storage space, laundry space. That's where our entrance is. This is the second bedroom. Right, very well decked up. Very nice. Solid wood, solid timber. And this is the master's. Look at that. Nice. This is 8-door wardrobe space. Right. Very beautiful bathtub, stone There you go. That's the three-bed apartment.